Castor oil, when used correctly, can work miracles for your skin and your body. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can multiply the results of castor oil by 10 times, not just for your face, but for your entire body. First, let's talk about what makes castor oil so special. Castor oil isn't new. It's at least 4,000 years old. In fact, archaeologists found it inside ancient Egyptian tombs. It has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine and Greek medicine. Now, an important note. In its raw form, castor seeds are actually poisonous. But once processed into oil, those toxic compounds are removed, and what you're left with is one of the most powerful healing oils in the world. Why is it so unique? Because castor oil contains something no other plant in the world has: ricinoleic acid. This natural compound is what gives castor oil its extraordinary healing properties. What does it do? It can fade scars, blemishes, and skin spots. It helps reduce wrinkles and keep skin deeply hydrated. Unlike most oils, castor oil can actually penetrate through all 3 layers of your skin. In some cases, it has even been reported to dissolve small lumps under the skin. But here is the biggest mistake most people make. They use castor oil once or twice and expect magic. That's not how it works. To see real changes, you need to use it at least 3 times a week for a minimum of 30 days. Consistency is the secret. How to use it. Take just a small amount of castor oil. Massage it gently on your face, body, or problem areas. Within days, you'll notice your skin feels more hydrated. Wrinkles and dryness reduce. It works almost like a deep natural moisturizer. But that's not all. Castor oil can also boost eyelash and eyebrow growth, making them thicker, help with skin tags and warts, reduce dandruff, and activate hair growth when massaged into the scalp. For hair, I recommend Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is stronger and highly effective. Supercharging castor oil. You can take results to the next level by combining it with garlic and iodine. These reduce excess estrogen in the body, which is often linked to stubborn skin problems. Magnesium oil. Mix with castor oil and massage on joints, shoulders, or lower back before sleep. This relaxes muscles and improves deep sleep. Here's a skin hack. Try dipping your face in an ice bath, then applying castor oil right after. This combination works like magic, tightening, refreshing, and deeply repairing your skin. Beyond Skin castor oil isn't just for beauty. It's powerful for health, too. Castor oil packs are used for liver detox and improving bile flow. Massaging it on the abdomen or uterus area may help with cysts. Applying it to knees, back, or hands can reduce arthritis pain and inflammation. Rubbing it on the feet allows it to absorb into the bloodstream and help the whole body. Important warning: if you are pregnant, do not use castor oil internally. It can trigger early contractions and premature labor. So, to recap, castor oil is not just another beauty oil. It's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, deeply penetrating, and incredibly powerful, but only if you use it consistently. Thanks for watching. I hope this information helps you. See you in the next video.